Namaskar. Today I'm going to speak on the topic. The topic is to how to prepare yourself for any type of a trip. First of all, you will be ready with your mental process. You generate your vibes for any type of a trip where you are visiting any place like a mountain, like a sea, beaches. You have to be understand. First of all, you can search about destination place on Google and took some informations that what is the rent, what is the distance, what is the train time, and everything, each and everything. If you are searching this all things on the internet, after that you can manage your money for any trip, because money is an important part in any traveling. Okay, after that you can do the reservation before a time, so you can took your seat properly, and you can got a good seat on a reservation bogies. After that you will start the preparation, like if you are going with some people or you are going solo trip, then this type of case will be generated in a trip management. So I think if you are going, if I'm talking about if you are going with your friends, then you call to the friends, make proper management with the friends, and give some needy things to the friends and make proper planning. And after that you will you know you will arrange the materials, like you put some you purchase a bag where you can, two bag is a good bag for the any type of traveling, because it will be easy to carry. You can put anything like toothpaste and soap, and your one to time one one set of your dresses to exchange during the traveling. Okay, and also wear sports shoes is a good, I think sports shoes is a good for the traveling wherever you are travel, and a half shorts is also be a very good things for any place of traveling. Then after that you can take some, you can take some like camera, mobile phones, and drones if you have, because it will be help for the good photography. Because if you are traveling, if you are not doing any photography, that it means doesn't any sense of the traveling, because the experience will be captured in your mobile camera or your DSLR, whatever you have. Because the capturing moment is a very unforgettable moment, because where the people understand the value of the moments, then they can always capture or doing the videography of that moments. Because a lot of experience we can take during the traveling, like in a railway station, and we can, if we can reach the railway station, we can see the many new changes on the railway stations, and we meet with different type of peoples and their thoughts. So I think you must capture these things in your mobiles. So I think that is the good things. And now if you prepare with your packing, then you should tell the your family members that you are going that place, and you give the proper numbers. There is no any off or busy, because they also be very careful about you. If you are not this type of things, then it is also be a mistake. So always tell the whole things to your family members, and also be to the number of your neighbors, because any problem will come out facing you, you can call to your neighbors. And so I think the network should be very strong for wherever you are going. And after that, if you are ready, then call your friends and reach a common point where you will reach 2 or 3 friends. After that, pick up a right auto or bus to reach the railway station, or any, if you go by a railway or by a plane, then it will be up to you, but reach the proper time. And if you're going by train, then from the common place to go to the railway stations. And after that, and wait for the train, check out the all things. There is a which train comes, platform number 1, 2, 3, whatever your place have a platform symbols, then you can choose wisely. After that you will see the many things, like your journey will start from the first step out of your home. So you can understand the value of the journey, because in a journey with free mind, there's a lot of capturing moment, very experienceable moments you can look in your pockets. Okay, with your camera, with the help of camera. So I think if you reach the railway station, you can see many changes in our railway station, many new announcement, and many big plates, and many changes will you can see on the railway station. After that, your train will come and put the whole luggage into the trains, and take your seats with proper number. After that, enjoy the journey wherever your destination, and reach the destination. And never book the hotels by online. Always reach the destination and come out of the railway station and inquiry the nearest hotel, because if you booking the hotels by internet, you will charge a lot. So you will understand the situation, go outside the hotel, and you will understand the prices variation between the internet or the offline mode, because offline mode always a pattern mode, there is always secure mode. And so if you are going hotels, check out, check in, then you can searching and took the hotel and a very proper price, so you can understand the whole facilities and talk with very gently to the hotel manager, and he will give you a lock key. And when you check in, then check out, everything will be, timing will be told by the hotel manager, and stay and became refreshed, and took the if you reaching morning, took the breakfast properly. After that and leave the all luggage into the hotels and put the hotel keys in your pockets or wherever you want. Okay, after that go outside and enjoy the places where you can want to experience, explore. Okay, like if you are going for adventure trip like Rishikesh, then you can visit like bungee jump and paragliding. Many things will paragliding. I think it is not Rishikesh. It is the place where the Himachal, maybe Simla. So I think it will be depend on you where you can go. But bungee jumping is a very good destination in the Rishikesh. So I hope adventure also be an important part of your journey. So I think this type of points will understand your mentality that what is the actually I want to convey regarding this video. So enjoying your journey with your high enthusiasm, because if you are low with your confidence or things, many things, then journey will refueling you, because journey always, traveling always refuel the soul. If your soul became refueling, then your soul will be a very amazing thing. So I think it will be a great option if you visit during the lockdown. But many states are doing very strict conditions to enter in their states. So I think you will check out the all rules and regulation on the traveling boards on their states. You can search everything on the Googles. Bye for now. Jai Hind.